Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download job alerts from Monster and follow up on LinkedIn. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To download job alerts from Monster, begin by visiting the Monster website. Log into your account using your credentials. If you don't have an account, create one by following the registration prompts. Once you're logged in, navigate to the job alerts section. Here, you'll find options to create new job alerts based on your preferences. Fill in the relevant fields such as job title, location, and desired salary range. After customizing your alerts, click on the Create Job Alert button. You will now receive email notifications whenever new jobs match your criteria. To download these alerts, check your email regularly for updates from Monster. Now, let's move on to following up on LinkedIn. Open the LinkedIn app or visit the LinkedIn website. Log into your account with your information. Use the search bar to find the hiring managers or recruiters associated with the jobs you applied for. Once you locate their profiles, click on Connect. Include a personalized message in your connection request, introducing yourself and mentioning your job application. If they accept your request, send a follow-up message expressing your interest in the position. Keep the message professional and concise. Remember, maintaining a polite tone is essential in these communications. After sending the follow-up, check back periodically for responses. This concludes the tutorial on downloading job alerts from Monster and following up on LinkedIn. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.